Zealandia, a secret or submerged continent. Zealandia, also known as the New Zealand continent or Tasmantis, is an almost entirely submerged mass of continental crust that subsided after breaking away from Gondwana land 83 to 79 million years ago. It has variously been described as a continental fragment, a microcontinent, a submerged continent, and a continent. The name concept for Zealandia was proposed by Bruce Lewandowski in 1995. The landmass may have been completely submerged by about 23 million years ago, and most of it means 93% of it remains submerged beneath the Pacific Ocean, with a total area of 4,920 kilometers. It is the world's largest current microcontinent, more than twice the size of the next largest microcontinent and more than half the size of the Australian continent. As such, and due to the other geological considerations such as crustal thickness and density, it is arguably a continent in its own right. This was the argument which made news in 2017 when geologists from New Zealand, New Caledonia, and Australia concluded that Zealandia fulfills all the requirements to be considered a continent rather than a microcontinent or continent fragment. New Zealand geologist Nick Mortimer has commented that if it wasn't for the ocean, it would have been recognized as such long ago. Zealandia supports substantial inshore fisheries and contains gas fields, of which the largest known is New Zealand's Moy gas fields near Taranaki. Permits for oil exploration in Great South Basin were issued in 2007. Offshore mineral resources included iron sands, volcanic massive sulfides, ferromagnesis, knowledge deposits. So this was the something of the New Zealand. This was some information about the Zealandia. New Caledonia lies at the northern end of the ancient continent, while New Zealand rises at the plate boundary that bisects it. These landmasses are two outposts of the Antarctic flora, including Ordicarias and podocarps at the Curio Bay. Logs of fossilized forest closely related to modern kauri and Norfolk pine can be seen that grew on Zealandia about 180 million years ago during the Jurassic period before it split from Gondwana. These were buried by volcano mud flow and gradually replaced by silica to produce the fossil now exposed by the sea. During glacial periods, more of Zealandia becomes a terrestrial rather than a marine environment. Zealandia was originally thought to have no native land mammal fauna, but the Miocene in the Otago region shows otherwise. The total human population of Zealandia today is about 5 million people. New Zealand's is 4 million 823 193. New Caledonia is 268,767. Norfolk Island is 2,210. Lord Howe Islands group is consists of 182 population in total. Elizabeth and Middleton Reefs is equal to 0. So Zealandia. Zealandia, the New Zealand round continent. In one word, it is also called a round continent. So hope you like the video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get more of these videos every day, every time. Till then, watch my other videos and enjoy. Bye. I will be here with my new videos. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe Fact 10 to get new interesting and mysterious videos. Bye.